Hello YouTube, welcome to Inspiration Restoration. It's been a while since our last video, but the work has not stopped. Last year we left the boat still very dirty and a mess. Fast forward a year and it's just after Christmas 2019. In this video we will show you the progress on the flush deck, salon, and forward berth. In the following videos we will continue the cleanup and see how the pickled engines did. Thanks for watching and be sure to hit the like and notification buttons. Let's get started. Come on in. Climb aboard. We've been busy cleaning. What do you think? Last time you saw her, she was a mess. She's cleaning up nicely, isn't she? This is a bit of the original furniture that I've been able to clean up and use. Look around. The floors, walls, and helm looks a lot nicer. Still a long way to go though. We will need to strip and varnish all the woodwork. That's my resting chair. It's serving me very well. Over there's the helm and dash. They look a lot better, don't they? How it must have looked before the problems. Come on, let's go inside. Step down the stairs. Let's enter the salon. Still pretty bad, but I'm making headway. Most of this will be removed and redone. Not much to look at right now, though. I'll show you a little bit more. Take a look, I'll go around the salon and down into the V-berth. I really haven't done a whole lot yet. I've only been here for a few hours. I'll come back to it in another video and I'll show you, you know, as it gets cleaned up. So today is kind of the ugly of the V-berth in the front bathroom, but I'll get it cleaned up and then I'll make another video for you. Just so you know, in the future we've got a lot of videos coming. We've got an awful lot of video footage that I've taped over the last year and a half. So lots of news, lots of information, lots of videos coming. Enjoy the rest of this one, and I'll keep you updated as things go on. I'll start getting some videos up, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. As you can see, there's the V-berth. She's pretty dirty. Countertops are still dirty. Like I said, I really haven't gotten a lot of cleaning done in here yet. So we'll pull all that wallpaper down. We'll clean up all that stuff. Start making her look better. And in the videos in the future, you'll get to see some more. Yeah, very nasty down here. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching.